Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the new goodies that I got. It's going to be a shorter video, but I wanted to post this one before I go into posting my other video where I did a set of nails. So, let's get into it. My beautiful nail friends. I have some new things that I got from Amazon. I want to try them all out. I haven't opened these. I haven't looked at them, but I've looked at these. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you the stuff I already got into. I've had these for a while. I haven't showed you guys yet. I haven't decided like how or if I can use them. I don't know. They're not really for nails. It's like scrapbook things, but look how tiny and cute they are. Look, like I really want to put it inside of a nail. Like do something kind of old-fashioned looking. I don't know, but look at this. Like these are the see-through. It's kind of like wax paper, but I don't know. That's really cool. And there's like a painting. I mean, they're so detailed. So pretty. Yeah, but not all of them are like this see-through kind of paper, but I don't want to show you every single one at a time because there's just so many. But let me show you the other type. There is. This also has that see-through at the end, but they also have this, which is just like regular paper. But look. Oh my god. So yeah, I want to try all of it, but I'm going to try putting one of these in a nail. Haven't decided if it's going to be in this set because I really want to use that glitter that I had in my other video that I haven't had a chance to, that fairy dust or fairy flakes. But yeah, so this is like old-fashioned kind of stuff here. And this is pretty much the same thing. So there's that. Let me get into the other. Okay, so these things were sealed super good. It was hard to get in these babies, but this is the sculpting gel, and I've been dying to try this stuff, but yeah, I finally ended up getting my hands on some. Where's my little spatula? Hold on. Okay, I found it. I did some nails today, one of my friends, and yeah, my stuff is everywhere. But this stuff, you're supposed to be able to, it's kind of like putty. I think that's the one that I opened. It's hard to tell because not everything is in English on this. It might be. Okay, this might be the rough stuff. Like I got this gel that's kind of like gritty. It's a polish, but yeah, that's what this might be. Hold on, let's open up the other one and we'll see. Okay, yeah, the other stuff is the gritty painting gels, and I'll show you an example on a nail, like how you can use that. But these are the sculpture gel. Like you can create different things on the nail. You can encapsulate it inside, like flower petals and stuff like that. It's almost like a Play-Doh. I got a new kitten, if you can hear him meowing. He's awake right now. Come here, baby. I'll show you what he looks like. But yeah, these are fun. I have been dying to try these out. That other textured stuff, yeah, I've never seen it before, but I was kind of going through Amazon. I don't even remember what I was looking for, but I came across that and I'm like, oh, that's different. Carving glue Boolean. I don't know how to say that, but these are the different colors. This is like more orangey than it looks on camera. That's like a red brown. Kitty, stop biting my toe. Oh, geez. That's supposed to be blue. Look, and it's purple. Okay. I'll leave you a link in the description so you guys can find this if you want. Black. Definitely looks like black. Let's see if red looks like red. Yeah. Not the same type of red, but she's red. White. Whoa, she's really white. And this stuff, like, you have to cure it after you create whatever you're creating. That's like a bright pink. That looks more like pastel pink. Light blue is bright blue. These colors don't match the lid, but hey, we got some carving gels. Oh, we got another purple, but it goes with the purple. These colors are pretty bright. Yellow, bright yellow, bright pink, very bright pink. We'll see this other pink together with that one. This is supposed to be pastel pink. It's lighter, but it's still bright. It don't look pastel. It looks like a hot light pink. And then we got our green, which looks, it's like a neon. Very cool. I'm not sure why these aren't together with that, but this is like the nude, a very nice nude color. It looks super light colored on camera, but it looks like a really nice nude in person, like a peachy nude. And yeah, it's more dull in the pot. But there's those, and I'm going to show you what those colors look like on the nail. Okay, so this stuff would be good to like paint textured, like if you did flowers or something. I don't know. I'll show you the pictures that are on Amazon. But see, it's like thick, but it has like a texture to it. So like, it's not really for painting the whole nail, but you could do like streaks and stuff with it. Would look really cool because it's has a texture, like a sandy kind of feel to it. See that? But yeah, if you painted the whole nail and you wanted like some kind of texture or something. This would be good for like beachy nails, this color. You could use it for the sand part. Okay, so it has a tacky layer on it when you cure it, I noticed. I cured it for like 30 seconds. But like you can do some streaks of color and spots. You could do textured flowers with it. Just kind of put some different stuffs everywhere. Some black. I don't know, this isn't the best, but I just wanted to see what it looked like. It's kind of neat. It's like, oh no, it's just so different. I like it. Can't wait to do something else, something planned. I think it would be cool if I used those little paper things that I showed you and kind of did some stuff with it too, because it's kind of like raw and, you know, it's different, antique-y. Yeah, so that's that. I don't know if you can see very good. I'm going to see what it looks like with the top coat too. Okay, I'm going to put the top coat on. It might take away the effect. Yeah, see, it kind of takes it away. But it still has a cool look to it. Yeah. So this is probably just meant to be on top of the nail after you have built everything and got it done, but still pretty cool. If any of you guys are interested in the products I showed you today, I will have them linked in the description, like I said. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and make sure you ring the bell so you're notified on future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.